Hello, good morning, everybody. My dryer is been broken for how many days? So I wanna try the microwave to dry up my t-shirt and my pants. Let's see what gonna be happen. All right, going to put it inside now. Oh, just a minute. Put my t-shirt first, then my pants together, and this time I'm going to call it like portable dryer, but I'm using the microwave. Let's see what's gonna be happen. I'm going to reset the time now. Maybe I try 2 minutes first, then start. Let's see what's gonna be happen to my pants and t-shirt. I'm hoping it's gonna be dry off because I need my pants and t-shirt for going somewhere today. It's getting there. Look at the timer. Wow, this is amazing. I think they should make like portable dryer. Let's see. Oh, wow, isn't that amazing? Woohoo! It's helping me. It's dry now. Ooh, wow! Look, I love it. I love this, dry. I love this microwave now. Woohoo! I call it now, a portable dryer. Isn't that amazing? Bye now.